Life at university. University life is an exciting and challenging journey. For many students, it is their first time living away from home and making independent decisions. This new freedom brings both opportunities and responsibilities. One of the best things about university is meeting people from different backgrounds. You can make new friends, join clubs, and take part in events that help you grow personally and socially. These experiences also allow you to learn how to work in teams and understand different perspectives. Academically, university is demanding. Students must manage their time well, attend lectures, complete assignments, and prepare for exams. Good organization and discipline are key to success. Sometimes, students feel stressed, but universities usually offer support services such as counseling and tutoring to help. In addition to studying, many students work part-time jobs to support themselves. Balancing work and study is not easy, but it teaches valuable life skills like time management and responsibility. Life at university is more than just education, it's a time to explore your interests, discover your passions, and build your future. Although there may be obstacles along the way, the experience prepares you for the real world and helps you become a more confident and independent person. In the end, university is not just a place to get a degree. It's a place where students grow, connect, and find their path in life.